Unlock a world of customers by making your Shopify store speak their language. In this video, we're diving deep into how to seamlessly add multilingual support to your Shopify store, a crucial step for global e-commerce success. The first and most straightforward method involves leveraging Shopify applications. Head over to the Shopify App Store and search for translation apps. There are several excellent options available, each with different features and pricing. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the general process. Once you've selected an app, go through the installation process. This usually involves granting permissions for the app to access and modify your store's content. After installation, you'll be redirected to the app's dashboard. Here, you'll typically see an option to add the languages you want to support. Click on Add Language and choose the desired languages from the provided list. Most apps will automatically detect your store's current language. Now comes the crucial part: translation. You'll have different strategies. Many apps offer automatic machine translation for a quick start, which is great for initial setup. However, for the best customer experience, manual review and refinement are highly recommended. You can edit the automatically translated content directly within the app. Go through your product titles, descriptions, collections, pages, and even your theme's text like buttons and navigation menus, ensuring everything is accurately translated and sounds natural to a native speaker. Most translation apps also provide a language switcher for your storefront. Make sure this is easily visible and accessible to your customers. You may need to adjust your theme settings or use the theme customizer to ensure the language switcher is placed strategically, usually in the header or footer of your store. By implementing multilingual support, you're not just translating words, you're opening your doors to a global audience, fostering trust, and ultimately driving international sales. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips to grow your e-commerce business globally.